Where are you going, my baby?
Going to Australia again. How heavy is the bag? Let's see. Oh yeah, it's good. That won't be 20 kilos. She'll be right, mate. Today is another very sad day. I have to go to Australia again. And Shanta, she can't come with me. Diba, Shanta? Shanta needs to get her passport renewed, and in the Philippines it takes about, depends on what time of the year it is, but it takes about 3 months to renew your passport.
No, it depends on your appointment.
Yeah, but your appointment is in like September, and you booked it in June.
Yeah, I do.
Grabe, no? Nakakalerke. Because of that, she has to stay here once again while I go to Australia. Pero sasama ka sa Pasko, di ba?
Yes, if I get my visa.
You'll get it. You better get it.
It's not my fault that I don't have a visa. Ano ka ba?
You know, Shanta has never actually been to Australia before. Never, di ba? What countries have you been to, Shanta?
Singapore, Malaysia, and Vietnam.
Wow, puro nila Asia.
Yes, kay
Kasi Asian ka man. Okay. So the reason I'm going to Australia is my grandfather recently passed away. So we're going back for the funeral. And yeah, it's gonna be good, I guess, to say goodbye and see other family. So that's it. You ready, Shanta? I would see you for a month.
Yeah,
Grabe, baby,
it's
no?
makarang.
Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay.
So my bags are packed.
I'm standing here outside your door. Already I'm so lonesome I could cry.
May stage ka.
So,
Maliit yung stage mo.
kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me.
Pasensya na ha, pabibilang talagang asawa ko.
Makarangin.
Ready? I love you, baby.
I love you, Lord, baby. Hey, you can pack me inside your suitcase.
Sige, subukan natin. Kasya ka ba?
Look, I'm Kasha.
Kasya ka ba? Sige, get inside. That way we don't have to pay for your passport or wait for visas or anything like that.
I'm Nasi. Yeah, like.
Yeah, she fits. She fits.
Don't close it.
Alright, grab taxi. 4 minutes away. Let's go, baby. Bye.
Masuk ko babay. Aray na ako mirang bingkisan no.
I'll see you in 1 month, baby.
Yeah.
Bye.
Ay pag sinirang kay Bayno kidnapon. Karami. Bye.
Bye, baby. Nakakalungkot hindi makakasama si asawa sa akin sa Australia. Wala pa siyang passport. So nandito pa tayo sa airport ngayon. Pumunta muna ako sa Singapore tapos Brisbane, Australia. Pagdating ko dun, susunduin ako ni Lola. So habang maghihintay ako, maglaro muna ako ng Pokemon. This game was my childhood. Such a nostalgic feeling playing it all over again. Alright, tara na!
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly and crashing into you. Oh baby,
Eto na, lilipad na tayo.
I pray the angels remind you how wonderful you are. And I really, really wanna take you home to mama. Wanna spend forever in the day with you.
I'd love to go back to being a pilot again.
Walk you down the aisle, put a ring on you. What you say I do. Yeah. Just like the moon in the night sky. Your loving is surreal, baby, let's fly. Through eternity, go wherever, wherever. You and I, through whatever weather. You're hotter than the sunshine in Manila. And what I have for you is forever. Siempre te querré, mi amor. You'll be the only one I adore. Really wanna take.
Mabuhay po kayo dito sa Australia, Brisbane. Malamig naman dito, grabe. Buti na lang nakaganto ako. So susunduin ako ni Lola ngayon. Saan si Lola? There she is.
In the back.
How you going, Grandma?
Hi, darling. Oh my God.
It's good to be back
excited.
again.
I'm excited. It's just a shame. Oh, Dwayne. It's just a shame Shanta Marie's not with you.
Yeah, I know.
Good,
It's
yeah?
annoying. It's bloody cold here, eh?
It's
So cold.
It was freezing at 5 o'clock this
Oh
morning.
man.
Right away is this way.
You gonna be on YouTube again, Grandma?
Dwayne! You and your fetching thing.
Me and my fetching thing, she reckons.
Okay.
Go case. Wow, crazy. There's just no traffic here, eh? It's amazing. Friggin' hell. Here we are at Grandma's house. I have a lot of childhood memories here in this place. It used to look a lot bigger when I was a lot smaller.
Don't forget, we have a dog, right?
Yes.
There's wheels on this, sweetheart.
Oh, I'll get it, Grandma. I'll get it. You get it. It's heavy as.
What?
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got
it. So just push her down, because she gets excited.
Oh, okay.
Down, get
Hello.
down. Down. No. Come on, in.
That's a big fat dog. You're a well-fed dog, aren't you? Busog
spoiled. Get
yung
down.
aso.
You wouldn't have seen the carpet or the movers, would you?
Sister Eaton, what were you, a missionary, Grandma?
Huh?
You got a missionary badge here.
Yeah, I was a state missionary, my best calling.
A steak missionary?
Yeah, loved it.
Awesome. Alright, so we are in the car once again on the way to the airport with Grandma.
Hello, darling. Ooh, am I talking to Shanda?
No, and it's Chooksy in the back. You can't see, it's too dark. Hello, Brooke.
Hello.
Hello, Brooke. We made it.
But you got to walk right up, haven't you?
Yeah, that's alright. So, nandito na tayo sa airport. Kasama ko si Brooke Woolley. Hello, Brooke. How are you, mate? She's my little sister who got married. Do you remember that one? Let's play that clip real quick. Was your wedding good, Brooke?
Yeah, it was awesome.
Brooke, let's get on the news, Brooke. Get on the news. So funny the news is here. I wonder what they're filming people about. I'm a bit disappointed they didn't ask us to be on TV, man. Me and Brooke are chilling at the airport and look who rocked up. It's the AC.
The aircon.
Yeah, we're on the same flight, man. That's so awesome.
Where are you guys sitting? Oh, you're right at the front. I'm right at the back. Yeah, at the back.
Alright, Brooke, let's go. Time to get on the flight. And we're here on the plane on Jetstar.
You are elegance and freedom. You're everything to me. Wanna spend my lifetime loving you.
Alright, we made it to Tasmania. Tasmania. See that smoke on my breath? It's AC!
Really wanna take you home tomorrow.